Hey everybody, it is Scott with the Washington Township Fire Department. We're here on the very first day of Fire Prevention Week, and this year's theme for Fire Prevention Week is Learn the Sound of Fire Safety. And we do have a couple sounds that we're going to talk to you about today that you may have in your very own home. The first is going to be the sound of a smoke alarm. I just took this one down off the ceiling so we can check it out. And you're going to notice that it has a little plug on the inside here that would be up against the ceiling. This is actually a powered smoke alarm. It's powered by the electricity in your home, so it's always working, but it also does have a 9-volt battery in it so that the unit will still work during times when your power may be out. So we do still want you to check your smoke alarms once a month, and you can do this when they're still on the ceiling by pushing that button to make sure that they work. We want to test the alarm to make sure it works. We want to replace those batteries to make sure that they work so that your home is protected from smoke, and will warn you 24 hours a day. Kind of a traditional sound that we're used to hearing. We probably are very familiar with that. There's also going to be the slight chirp once every minute or so that you might have heard at your own house when you forget to change those batteries, and they'll let you know that the batteries are low. There's another sound that I do want to mention today though, and that comes from a carbon monoxide detector. This one, obviously I just pulled right out of the wall, and it does have a traditional plug that we can plug right in. This guards against carbon monoxide, which is a product of combustion from cooking appliances, from an attached garage, from furnaces, from fireplaces. Very common sources that we all have of different manners in our homes. Again, it's plugged in and powered. However, it also has a 9-volt battery inside to make sure that our homes and families are protected if the power goes out. This has a slightly different sound. So a little pulsing beep, which is a little bit different than the sound that our smoke detector makes. Either way, folks, when we do hear one of these sounds, we want to get our family out of the house, and we're going to talk about getting out of the house in a later video, but we want to get out of our house, we want to get to our family meeting spot, and we want to have that cell phone out, calling 911 from outside of our home. Two different forms of protection for your home and your family, and two different sounds. The carbon monoxide alarm and the smoke alarm. Both of them are here to protect your home, your family, 24 hours a day, and we hope you never hear these sounds, but if you do, we want you to know what to do. Outside, meet up at your meeting place with your entire family and give us a call, 911, and we'll be here to help. We'll have videos all week long. I hope you have a wonderful Fire Prevention Week. I hope you learned some of the sounds of fire safety, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.